All right, everyone, we are excited to launch our seasonal Cheers from Home series in partnership with Maine Spirits, this time at Carolyn's house.
Yes, welcome to my barn. This is a space we use all the time for indoor-outdoor entertaining, especially as we get into the chillier fall season. It's a little warmer in here. We open up the barn doors, get a lot of fresh air, but it's awesome to have a warm punch for people, so that's what we're gonna do today.
I love extending our season, especially in New England.
Such a big deal in New England, yes. So this is a really yummy spiced cider that has a lot of extra depth in it from simmering with all the fruit and spices, but we're leveling up with the brown sugar bourbon.
All right, if you guys at home grab your phone and follow along with us, you can download the Maine Spirits app, and under Browse All Recipes, you will find the Autumn Punch among many other things. So let's warm up and get started.
Let's do it. The BSB Autumn Punch calls for 1 full bottle BSB brown sugar bourbon, 64 ounces unfiltered apple cider, 16 ounces fresh apple juice, 4 ounces fresh lemon juice, 2 sticks of cinnamon, 6 whole cloves, 1 apple sliced, and 1 orange sliced. All right, so all this fruit is going to simmer in the cider here over a period of time. All the flavors are going to be infused along with the spices to give a lot of depth to this cocktail. If you want to make the cold version of this, which is also delicious, just make sure that you give it a full 6 to 8 hours in the fridge so you get the full benefit of all of those flavors coming together. It's a little faster in a crock pot.
It's a crisp fall day and we want to try it warm. So TV Magic, Ryan, KK's husband, has been in the kitchen making us a warm batch. So let's go try it.
That's right.
Well, it smells so delicious. Thank you to Ryan.
Absolutely. All right, go ahead and grab a garnish.
Nice and warm.
So leaving apples out as a garnish can be tricky because they get brown and kind of gross.
No one wants a rotten apple.
No one wants a rotten apple. So if you take your apple slices and rub them with a little bit of lemon first, or honestly any citrus, the acid in it will keep them from turning brown and they look fresh all afternoon.
Learn something new.
Hot or cold, it smells and tastes like fall.
Cheers to a great season. Cheers from home, everybody.